Welcome to the SmartBook 2 Overview tutorial. SmartBook 2 is an adaptive reading experience that personalizes learning to meet your individual needs and helps you to internalize information important to the mastery of our learning objectives. From the course homepage, we will click on Learning Modules and then open the Chapter 1 Learning module. As you can see here, SmartBook assignments are included in your assignment list. You can locate a SmartBook assignment by finding the SB icon. When you click on the assignment, you'll be taken to Connect. Find the SB icon again, and then click on the blue arrow symbol. Before you start, you will see important information on the start and due date, as well as how many attempts are allowed and the point value of the assignment. When you are ready, click Begin. Remember that assignments must be completed by the indicated due date in order to receive scoring credit. It's important to know that after the due date, scores are no longer recorded, and assignments are converted to what we call recharge mode. Recharge allows you to continue practicing concepts and receiving feedback, but progress is no longer recorded. After clicking Begin, you'll be taken to a welcome page. This welcome page will keep track of your progress and how many minutes estimated to complete the assignment. From here, you may either start reading or start questions. For the most effective learning experience, you should always start reading first. If we click here, we are taken to the chapter. You will see sections of the text has been highlighted for you. You have the option to navigate by page or by concepts. These concepts have been highlighted because they correspond with important learning objectives. Using this arrow takes you from concept to concept. While reading the entire chapter provides full context, you may want to focus on the highlighted content for purposes of a SmartBook assignment. Once you've read through the assigned content, click to Questions to start answering questions. It is through these questions and the answer process that you will make progress towards earning points designated for this assignment. On the question page, you will see the question and a confidence rating, and your progress bar in the top left corner of the screen. To complete a question, you will check your answer and rate your confidence in the answer. This is where SmartBook begins to adapt to you. The confidence level does not affect your progress bar, but it does encourage you to think about your level of understanding. Behind the scenes, SmartBook is learning to identify what you really know and where you might need additional help. You will receive immediate feedback for both correct and incorrect answers. If you incorrectly answer multiple questions on the same concept, you may be provided with the learning resource, which is often a section of the text. This is designed to help you learn and move forward with your progress. As you advance through the questions, your assignment score will be based on the percentage complete on the due date, as indicated by the progress bar. Now, remember those highlights when you were reading? These highlights represent key concepts, and all the questions you answer are designed to assess them. The bar indicates concepts you have started and concepts you have completed or learned. Half a bar indicates started, a full bar indicates completed, and an empty bar indicates a concept you haven't begun yet. Keep in mind that answering a single question correctly does not advance the progress bar. The percentage only increases when multiple questions for a single concept have been answered correctly. As a reminder, once the assignment is past the due date, the assignment enters recharge mode, allowing you to continue to practice concepts and receiving feedback, but no longer recording your progress. Before you answer any question, you can use this button to read about the concept. Once you are confident in the answer, you can return to the question and provide your answer. You can also look for the due date, the estimated amount of time remaining to complete the assignment, or return to the reading assignment by using these buttons. Finally, at any time during the assignment, you can save your progress and return to the assignment at a later date. Remember, your score for SmartBook tasks will be part of your homework assignments grade each week. That's all for now, but if you have any questions about SmartBook, don't hesitate to reach out to me using any of the methods outlined in the Communicating with the Instructor tab. You can now move on to the next video in the Semester Welcome module.